How to enable uploading in highest quality on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable uploading in highest quality on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on a device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account. Tap the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you land on the profile feed, select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Once you access the settings and activity page, scroll to the bottom of the screen and under your app and media section, choose data uses and media quality option. Here, at bottom of the screen, choose upload at highest quality and toggle the button on so that this will always upload the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. When this is turned off, Instagram will automatically adjust upload quality to fit the network conditions. By enabling this option, you can easily enable uploading in highest quality on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.